Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making something extra special. You know, fall is in the air and fall is pumpkin season, and today I'm gonna make my Zimbabwean family a delicious pumpkin juice. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Biza's Kitchen and More. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It's cooking time.
So the main ingredient in making our pumpkin juice, which will be done Jamaican style, is our pumpkin. We also have vanilla, sapogen, malt, evap milk, condensed milk, lasco, and nutmeg. The mixture will be sweetened two ways because mom is diabetic, and whatever we do, we have to ensure that she's able to enjoy it as well.
We'll start the process by cutting up our pumpkin. You will notice there's two different types of pumpkin. I'm using some leftover pumpkin that was in the freezer from our last pumpkin rice dish. And I cut the pumpkin into chunks and boil them with some cinnamon stick for added flavor. A quick check on our pumpkin and they're almost ready. So now the pumpkin has finished boiled, so I am letting it sit for a few hours and then we continue the process.
So after a few hours of cooling down, the pumpkin is now cool enough for me to blend. So you use the same water that it was boiled with to blend it, okay? Because all the nutrients is in there already, right? So we're gonna first blend it with a few ingredients. For example, I am adding ensure to remove some of the sweetness so mom can enjoy it some more, right? And then after I'll add like the malt and stuff for everybody else. I'm also gonna add half pack of the lasco, soy. And then I'll add like a I'll say like a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Just give it good flavor. Some of the basic ingredients are added so far, so we're gonna do some blending. So we're gonna just blend it on high. So now we're gonna stop and just taste it a little bit. So I'm gonna do a little bit of tasting to taste the sweetness level. This is good. So now I'm just gonna separate some from mom so I don't mix it too sweet for her, okay? And the rest, I'm just gonna add all these yummy stuff right now. Now I'm gonna add the malt. The sapogen. And for us, I'm gonna also add the rest of the lasco. I think it's a little bit, I think it's okay enough to not add the condensed milk or anything else. But let me just blend some more and then we taste it going forward. Yes, it's a little bit messy, but hey. Forgot to put the vanilla, so I'm doing that right now. Vanilla just give it added flavor and stuff. You can leave it without because trust me, it tastes so good without it. So I'm just gonna blend it just for 2 seconds just to blend it in, and that's it. I'm just mixing in the vanilla and stuff. Now this is finished, I'm gonna set up so persons can taste it for the first time. You guys know this juice is made from Nhanga. And go, the one in the small bottle is yours, so you're going to taste it and tell me what you think. And everybody else, the one in the big jug is yours, and you can taste it and tell me what you think, okay?
Yeah, but as a matter of fact, when you look at it, it looks like African beer, but I'm going to taste it and I'm going to show you how to taste it.
Okay, guys, go ahead and taste it.
I bet it's going to taste good.
Yeah. Go ahead and taste it.
The better way you ever had. This is how it goes. It looks like Chibuku.
Mom, this one in the small bottle is yours, because it's not too sweet.
This one looks like African beer, Chibuku.
It's an African beer. Let me try.
Gogo, you don't know how to put it inside.
This is Scadmisia from Zimbabwe.
What is it?
This one is called Scadmisia from Zimbabwe.
Mom, no. Mom, that one is yours. The one in the small bottle. It's not too sweet.
No, but this one is cold.
It's called Scadmisia. This woman is turning us into alcoholics. Ah, now.
Takes like
Let me try it.
Juice.
As you pour some for Angie.
Oh, it's very good. If you want to try it.
Nanga juice.
Okay.
Nanga juice.
Mom, what do you think?
It's right.
It's delicious.
So now you guys have a new recipe.
This tastes so good.
Taste Chibuku. When mom
Mom, it's not too sweet. No, that one is not too sweet. I just take out more. I just take out some of the ingredients out of yours.
It's like a milkshake.
Just the juice. If you try it, seems like juice.
You don't know that.
What about this one? Let me try
This is my own. This is Scad.
I love this so much. I just love it so much. I love it.
This one.
Teach me how to make it. I love it. 100% I love it.
We want the rights, huh?
No,
but you can make it, but don't sell it.
This one I also put to people, do not sugar.
Yeah.
It's so good to them. People want to eat it.
It's delicious.
So you like it, Gogo?
Yeah,
I know you're picky when it comes to food and you trying new things. It's good?
Wow, this is really...
Thank you for stopping at Beezer's Kitchen. You know what? We appreciate you watching and bye.
We love you. Bye.
Hi guys, it's me again. I'm back here with a knife and then what we call this. This looks like a basketball. Okay, a hoop. Okay, it's a pumpkin. We're gonna make what we call pumpkin juice. Alright, so what we're gonna need is vanilla. Whatever. Mount.
What do you mean now?
Vanilla mount.
Yeah, vanilla mount. Vanilla mount?
Vanilla mount. So we're gonna make what we call
basketballs!
Basketball juice!
So, as you know, juice is made from Nhanga. Mom, the one in the small bottle.
Just say Nhanga. Unfortunately, this woman has turned us into drunkards.
Once again, thank you for stopping by at Busy's Kitchen and More. Bye!